Sophisticated, glamorous, and unique, the Montego aluminum railing line by Westbury can create an unparalleled look for your outdoor space. With black, white, and bronze fine texture systems in stock and custom finishes available, the Westbury Montego aluminum line will accentuate your Spanish or Mediterranean-style home with distinctive looks. The Montego railing line begins with a wide variety of post options to highlight your home's architectural design. Montego 3-piece post kits are offered in slim 2-inch, substantial 3-inch, and pillar-like 4-inch widths to create a solid foundation for your railing layout. Sleek crossover posts are also available, with an included crossover bracket for continuous top rail vistas. Or attach your railing to the side of your deck or terrace with fascia mount posts, a brilliant Westbury option to make the most of smaller spaces or balconies. Taking center stage of your entertaining area is the Westbury Montego railing itself. The eye-catching level and stair railing sections feature wonderfully arched balusters to add a touch of classical looks between the timeless top and bottom rails. The top rail profile is a gentle curve, perfect for easy grasping and a refined look, while the delicately bowed balusters create a stunningly designed infill similar to those of classic mansions and palaces. With everything you would need all together in one package, the Montego rail kits also boast 2-piece brackets made to conceal rail cuts and hardware for a clean, polished look throughout. Keep your neighborhood's attention throughout the night with Magina Star ornamental low voltage or solar post cap lights shining on your dramatic Montego railing. Adding side lights such as the Magina Star teardrop can also create illumination in the nooks and crannies that need it the most. Don't just finish your deck. Create a backyard getaway with the warm design of the Montego aluminum railing system by Westbury.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.